Have you ever woken up in the morning, looked in the mirror, and thought to yourself, something feels different? Not the stiff back, not the sleep fog, something deeper. That quiet, confident energy you used to wake up with in your 20s and 30s. That natural readiness in your body that whispered, I am still a man. And maybe now that feeling isn't there as often. If that hits home, I want you to stay with me because tonight I'm going to share something surprisingly simple, a bedtime drink that can help bring that energy back. And no, this isn't a gimmick. It's not a miracle potion or another fad supplement. This is about using natural, accessible ingredients in a way that works with your body's biology, especially after 50. Before I tell you exactly what's in the drink, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your country or city in the comments below. It's always inspiring to see men from around the world reclaiming their health together. And if you care about staying strong, confident, and vital as you age, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. That way you won't miss the upcoming videos where we break down the myths and truths about men's health in plain English. Let's clear something up first. Most men believe that if they've lost some of that natural performance or morning energy, the only way back is through prescriptions, extreme workouts, or complicated hormone therapies. But here's the truth. Sometimes the smallest daily choices have the biggest impact because what really changes after 50 isn't just testosterone, it's recovery, it's blood flow, it's how your body restores itself at night. And that's where this bedtime drink comes in. It's not about forcing your body, it's about giving it the tools to heal, restore, and prepare for the next day, naturally. By the way, for those who are new here, I'm Dr. Jocelyn. I'm a urologist, and for the past 5 years, I've specialized in helping men over 50 restore confidence in their health without shame, without gimmicks, and without complicated regimens. I have sat across from thousands of men who thought their best days were behind them, only to realize that their bodies were just waiting for the right kind of support. And I'll tell you, this bedtime ritual is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to send your body that support signal. So what is this drink? It's a simple blend: warm water, pure pomegranate juice, a slice of fresh ginger. That's it, 3 ingredients, no sugar bombs, no artificial nonsense. But here's where it gets interesting. Each ingredient has a very specific role in helping your body perform better, especially overnight. Let's break them down one by one. Ingredient number 1, pomegranate juice, the vessel healer. Pomegranate is not just a fruit, it's a vascular powerhouse. It's packed with polyphenols, plant compounds that act almost like polish for your blood vessels. Imagine your blood vessels as garden hoses. Over time, the lining, the endothelium, can get stiff, rough, or inflamed. That makes it harder for blood to flow freely. Pomegranate polyphenols smooth and relax those vessel walls, improving circulation and lowering resistance. Biologically, that means stronger, steadier blood flow. Emotionally, that means waking up with that quiet, confident readiness again, without forcing it. Day to day, it means fewer struggles with sluggish energy and more of those mornings where your body responds the way you want it to. Ingredient number 2, ginger, the blood flow switch. Now, let's talk about ginger. You probably know it for flavor or soothing an upset stomach, but in men's health, it's doing something much bigger. Ginger stimulates nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide is the chemical messenger that tells your blood vessels, relax, open up, let the blood flow. This is the same pathway that many prescription performance medications target, but ginger does it gently, naturally, without side effects. Practically, what does that mean? It means better nighttime circulation, which translates to better morning energy, better responsiveness, and healthier blood pressure long term. Think of ginger as flipping on the body's circulation switch, especially important as we age. Ingredient number 3, warm water, the delivery truck. And finally, warm water. Most people dismiss this as just filler, but warmth itself is powerful. Warm water relaxes your nervous system, calms digestion, and slightly dilates your blood vessels. That means the polyphenols from pomegranate and the nitric oxide boost from ginger get absorbed and circulated more effectively. Think of warm water as the delivery truck with its engine already running. It ensures the good stuff doesn't just sit in your stomach. It gets delivered to where it's needed while you sleep. And here's the kicker. Hydration itself is critical. Go to bed dehydrated, and your body has to work harder all night long, raising heart rate, disrupting sleep, and leaving you sluggish in the morning. So, here's how to actually make this part of your routine. Prepare it about 30 minutes before bed. Warm up a small glass of water, not boiling, just warm. Add 2 to 3 ounces of pure pomegranate juice, not the sugar-loaded kind, the real stuff. Slice in a thin piece of fresh ginger, let it steep for a couple of minutes, sip it slowly. Think of it as winding down, not chugging. That's it. 2 minutes, 3 ingredients, no excuses. And if you want to supercharge the effects, pair it with 10 minutes of light movement after dinner, like a walk, some stretching, or deep breathing. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body that tells you it's time to rest, recover, and repair. Then let the drink do its job while you sleep. Now, let me say this clearly. You are not weak because your body has changed. You are not past your prime. You are simply in a new chapter, a chapter that requires new habits. There is nothing shameful about needing support. In fact, there is dignity in it. This drink is not about chasing youth. It's not about pretending you're 25 again. It's about honoring the man you are now and giving that man the care he deserves. It's a small, consistent reminder that your body is still alive, still capable, still worthy of your attention. So here's my challenge to you tonight. Instead of scrolling on your phone until you doze off, instead of numbing yourself with late-night TV or a heavy snack, take 2 minutes. Slice a piece of ginger, pour some pomegranate juice, warm some water, and sip slowly. Not as a chore, not as a test, but as a promise to yourself. A promise that says, I still care, I'm still in the game, and I choose to show up for myself every night. And tomorrow morning, let your body show you what that promise can do. Because your best years are not behind you. They're waiting for you, one small, consistent act at a time. If this message spoke to you, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe for more men's health guidance, and share this video with a brother, a son, or a friend who deserves to feel strong and vital again. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, take care of yourself because you are absolutely worth it.